the moment we are at Bilal shelter in the southern Gaza Strip in order to continue our relief journey and to begin distributing the help meals we have prepared for the families inside the shelter in order to begin minimizing and reducing their daily suffering.
شكرا لخدمة باكستان على هذه الوجبة، وكل يوم إن شاء الله تجونا بلفات الرز. بارك الله فيكم.
Thanks a lot for Khidma Pakistan for hot meal.